Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about gasket, drainline for Pitco part number 600599302. Gasket, drainline for Pitco part number 600599302 is a replacement part for Pitco deep fryers. It is a rubber gasket that seals the drainline connection between the fryer and the drainline. The gasket helps to prevent oil from leaking out of the fryer and into the drainline. This part is designed to fit Pitco models SG14, SG18, SG24, and SG14RS. It is made of durable rubber material that can withstand high temperatures and is easy to install. This part should be replaced periodically to ensure proper operation of your deep fryer. This part fixes the following symptoms. This gasket is used to seal the drain line on a Pitco fryer, so it would fix any leaking or dripping from the drain line. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the fryer and disconnect the power cord. 2. Remove the old gasket and drain line from the fryer. 3. Clean any debris or residue from the area where the new gasket and drain line will be installed. 4. Place the new gasket in place, making sure it is properly aligned with the drain hole in the fryer. 5. Securely attach the new drain line to both ends of the gasket using a wrench or pliers. Make sure it is tight enough to prevent any leaks. 6. Reconnect the power cord and turn on the power to the fryer. Test for proper operati. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.